Sahih Al-Bukhari 3918, Al-Bara radiyallahu ta'ala anhu added, I then went with Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu into his home, crying that a saddle, and there I saw his daughter Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha laying in a bed because of heavy fever, and I saw her father Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu kissing her cheek and saying, How are you, little daughter? Sahih Al-Bukhari 3919, narrated Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the servant of the Prophet sallallaho alaihi, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi arrived at Medina, there was not a single companion of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi who had grey and black hair except Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, and he dyed his hair with Hana and Khatam, i.e. plant used for dyeing hair. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3920. Through another group of narrators, Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam arrived at Medina, the eldest among his companions was Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He dyed his hair with henna and katam till it became of dark red color. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.